are fine in this very stormy and rainy weather. In this session, we are going to continue our activity solving about pollution, the causes of pollution, the steps to reduce pollution and their effects on living things, on animals, plants, and also on people. In activity 3, here in this page, we are going to show some different examples about how to reduce and stop pollution. In this activity, we are going to know more about some examples of pollution. How to reduce? Reduce means stop pollution or decrease. Here means stop, but reduce means decrease pollution. And protect the earth. Earth is our planet. Earth means our planet in which we live on. How can we stop pollution? We have different photos here. I have here different photos, and in these photos I can see more than one example how to reduce or stop pollution. For example, in photo number 1, I have a woman and she is doing bad thing. What is she doing in this photo? Who can tell me please now? Raise your hands in order to answer. Yusuf, can you?
Yes. She dropped the tissues and the trash.
Excellent teacher. She is throwing garbage or trash or waste in the river or in the sea. It is in the water. They are thrown in water. In number 2, I have an opening tab. Who can tell me what should we do in this photo? Start, Hussein Zara. How can I save water, Hussein? How can I save?
We close the tap.
Close the tap. Excellent. Close the tap before or after washing?
We close.
Excellent.
We close.
Excellent, Hussein. Thanks for you. So we have to close the tap after washing my hands or washing dishes. So after using, I can close the tap in order to save water and not waste the water all everywhere. What does photo 3 represent? What can photo 3 represent? Okay, Rama, can you tell me what do you see in document 3? What does photo 3 show you or tell you? Excellent teacher. We have to stop smoking or stop using cigarettes. In number 4, I have a new important phrase. Use renewable resources of energy. These are some solar system are used to make heat or to produce heat. So these solar systems are renewable. Renewable means they can be used more than one time. They can't be burned. They can't run off. So they are renewable resources. They are renewable. They can be used more than one time. Now, in the 5th one, I have these containers. What are these containers used for?
This is the 3 baskets. We want to throw the tissue
or any waste product, okay?
Yes.
Excellent, Hisham. So these containers are used to throw for or are used for throwing garbage or waste products. They are for recycling. Recycling means to find everyone, look at everyone. For example, this one, the blue container, is used for plastic containers. The first one is for papers or tissues, while the third one, for example, is for any tanks, okay? Or any canned objects. I have here a bicycle, and in front of the bicycle, the author wrote that walking or riding a bike when possible. For example, if I have a short trip, or for example, I want to move, for example, to my cousin, I have to visit my cousin, and she is, for example, 20 meters far. So, do I use my car? Of course not. It is a short trip, so I can use my legs or walk on the ground, or even use my bike instead of using a car. In this way, we save energy and makes the air clean out of car exhaust or smoking. The next or the last one. This one is saying for the other to save electricity. How can I save electricity? I have lamp 1 is speaking to lamp 2. How can we save electricity? So Abdul Qadir, how can I save electricity? What should you do?
When we want to go out from the room, we turn off the lamp.
Excellent, Abdul Qadir. So saving electricity means when I leave the room, when there is nobody in the room, I can turn off the light or turn off the AC or turn off the fan. So don't use electricity. In this way we are saving electricity and save energy, electric energy. Thank you, teacher. Now, I have in number 1 to list or mention 3 ways we can do to decrease pollution. Decrease pollution, as we said before, to reduce pollution or to stop pollution. Using the above document, I have to mention or list 3 ways to stop pollution. Who can tell me how can I stop pollution using the above document? Excellent for the students who are raising their hands. Okay, start in the first one. How can I do? What can I do? No smoking.
And don't.
Okay, number 2, Ghina.
No smoking.
Yes. No throwing garbage. Excellent. Okay, third one. What is third one, Ghina?
Saving electricity.
Excellent, teacher. So saving electricity. These are 3 ways. We can say also walking or riding when possible, use renewable resources of energy, save water. Okay, I can use more than 1 step. Please let's solve next question and wrote them, and let's start writing them. Sorry. Explain how can sorting and recycling trash help solving the pollution problem. Why I have to sort and recycle the waste? What can this help us? What can this help? Okay, Hawra, can you now please?
Yes, because not big bag and fall down.
Excellent, teacher. Let's ask another. Let me write the answers now, please. You have to follow me writing, teacher. So the 3 ways I can do to decrease or reduce pollution are, for example, save electricity or saving electricity. Please follow me writing. use renewable resources of energy? Or you use renewable resources of energy? We can say also, for example, recycle, plant trees, etc. We have many different ways as shown in the above document. In number 2, we have to explain again how can sorting and recycling trash help solving the pollution problem. This way decreases, it decreases means reduces, make less. It decreases the amount of trash. It decreases the amount of trash. Trash means waste or garbage produced by humans. Produced by humans. So, in this session, we knew more about the energy resources, how can we reduce or stop pollution, and what should we do to stop this way.